Hello everybody, we're here in Dalian at Lianhua Shan, and it's a beautiful sight today. In fact, the weather was calling for cloudy weather, but as you can see, it's a little bit hazy, but it's sunny. It's wonderful. Beautiful architecture. We're actually about a couple hundred meters up above the water. It's a wonderful, wonderful sight. So you can get a great view of Dalian. So it is a tourist trap, of course, but if you're a first-time comer to Dalian, this is really worth seeing. Now, this is actually my first time being here, even though I've been in Dalian for a long time, but what a great architecture. So unique. And in fact, I got a nice little touch here on the coffee, little heart. Get a little latte here going, and it says, "Wo," which means I love Dalian. So I love Dalian. It's a wonderful cup. But so over here, this is Shanghai Park. This was built by a famous former mayor. And let me just put my coffee down so I can zoom in here. This right here is the famous Castle Hotel. It's considered a 7-star hotel, but in fact, it's really not 7-star. But you know, they claim to be 7-star, but we'll give it to them. And this is the Shanghai Park itself. Well, actually, this is Shanghai Square, and then Shanghai Park is sort of beyond this building here. On the other side is Shanghai Park. And this bridge is sort of very controversial. It's hard for me to get here because there's lots of people here. Just give me a second. I zoom back out. Yeah, so this bridge is actually, you can see it from over here. It's a very sorry, here we've got people around us, so it's quite busy. So this bridge was very controversial because it basically is an eyesore to the beach, but it saves a lot of time for allowing people to go around the city. So you can see it's very long. It's couple kilometers long, I think. Several kilometers long. I forget how long it is. But it starts at the zoo, which you can't really see here. There's a zoo at the bottom of this hill, and then the bridge comes out via tunnel, and it ends up in another part of the city. So again, a beautiful spot, wonderful. We're having a wonderful time, and this is all part of a faculty outing. So we've got some nice folks here. This is the ex-dean, Yame Leo. Our two colleagues here is Prashant and Mosin. And these are our students, or TAs. And yeah, they just give me a little hello. And some colleagues. Let me just go see if we can run over and visit our colleagues since we're here. By the way, these red little signs, people put good luck messages on them, and they hang them, and they're everywhere, these luck messages. So, actually, hey, Baobei, what are these exactly? These signs? What are these?
They just wish Paris health,
okay.
Kid are safe, and she or he be rich.
Okay, so it's like a good luck kind of a token that they put up here. Okay.
This one want a baby.
Want a baby? Okay. Here's one of our new instructors, Indra. He teaches CIS.
What was it?
I'm just taking a video.
Oh, okay.
Well, I'm sorry. Lots of people here. Some more faculty. There's Diana. There's Brandon. Constantine. Yeah. So we're having a great faculty outing. So I'm happy to be able to share it with you. There's Sandy. There's Birliana and Lori. Hello. Okay. I'm just talking to people at home. There's Wendy. Okay. All right. We're having a great time. I wish we could go up, but I think it costs like money to go up, so it's a bit of a tourist trap, but we love it. So it's a great time here. Yeah, actually, maybe we can go up there. Okay. Anyway, sorry?
Take the photo.
Oh, we're going to take a photo?
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to take a photo. Okay. See you guys later. Take care. Bye-bye.